Welcome to Sally Melodies classroom, where we learn basic music. We are winding up on Abrsm theory exams. This is our lesson 8 and we are in question 7 of the exam. Question 7 comes in this setup, music in context. This is whereby you are given a piece of music, at least an 8-bar melody, and then you are told to study the melody very carefully, and then they are going to ask you questions on this melody. The secret behind this, when you get such a question, don't rush to answering the questions. Just look at the melody, starting from bar 1, from the clef, from the time signature, from the key signature, going to the end. And as you do that, you go from bar to bar, checking all the symbols, the terms, the signs, and everything that has been used in that music context, in that melody. So that when you are answering your questions, you will not spend a lot of time going back to confirm. Now, this 8-bar melody, as you can see, the clef is treble clef, and then we have our time signature, which is 4/4. The key signature is C. You know why it is C? Because we don't have any accidental or any sharp or flat at the beginning there. And then as you go, you can see andante there, meaning the speed will be at a walking pace. And then we have MF, we have crest, meaning the song is going to gradually get louder from bar 3 all the way to bar 7, because for bar 8 you have another different dynamic. FF means very loud, F means loud, MF means moderately loud, get louder, and then it gets very loud, and then when we come towards the end, it gets moderately loud. You have other symbols like diminuendo here, and then you have the slur in 2 bars. So once you study the piece of music, that is when you come and answer your questions. 7.1. The melody gets gradually louder towards the end. Is it true or is it false? You come here and look at the ending. Does it get gradually louder or gradually softer or quieter? So this is false. You just say it's false because this sign here shows you that towards the end, the song gets gradually quieter or softer. If we had this one here, now we could say it is true. And then you go to question 7.2. Which bar contains all the notes of the tonic triad of C major? We have C, we have E, we have G. That is the tonic triad of C major. So you come and check. So this is out, this is out, and this is out, because we need at least 3. So I think it's bar 2, because this is C, this is E, and this is G. So your answer is bar 2. You'll be given choices there to either tick or click the answer. And then we come to question 7.3, which has got 3 questions. 7.3a. Which is the longest note in the melody? Some things you only have to use your eyes. It is a semi-breve. You will have that section where you are going to click the answer. You are going to have like 4 choices. Minim, semi-breve, quaver, semi-quaver. So the longest note here is the semi-breve. And then, which is the highest note in the melody? You just come and check where your highest note is. I think it is this one, which is a G. You'll be given choices and then you tick your answer. You can have 4 choices, B, A, D, G. Then know that your highest note in the melody is a G. And then you come to question C. Bar 1 has the same pitch as bar. So you are told to compare bar 1 and another bar. So when we check, we see this is a C and a B. So when we check, it's not this one, it's this one. It's bar 7. So you are going to have the choices. You choose which bar is the same as bar 1, has the same notes and pitch as bar 1. All you need to do is to study hard. This one is examining you in all the areas. The letter names, the notes value, the dynamics, the clef, the time signature, everything, all the symbols. So you must study hard, and you must also study this question, the melody, before you answer the questions. I think we are done with the questions that are examined, especially in grade 1. These are the same questions. It is the same setup, even when you go to grade 2 and when you go to grade 3. The only difference is that when you go to grade 3, you are going to get a few questions that are examining you on minor chords or minor triads or minor keys or minor scales. So we are going to look at that minor scales in the next coming lessons, so that you'll be able to answer the questions in grade 3. But what we have been doing is the approach, how you approach the exam, how you approach the questions in the Abrsm exams. If you follow the rules, if you follow the regulations, then you are going to pass with flying colors. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class.